My name is Charlie Casely-Hayford, and I'm a menswear designer and co-founder of Casely-Hayford. I live on the same street as my store, and I'm based in central London. So getting to work in the morning isn't exactly a rush pilgrimage across the city. But when I'm off duty or going into town, I really appreciate the drive. When I'm in the Mercedes AMG, I'm in my own space, and I feel really at ease making my way through London. On my day off, I go shopping for clothes occasionally. A particular spot that I love is the vintage showrooms. They have this incredible collection of pieces that I draw a lot of inspiration from. The traditional definition of a flaneur is someone who explores the streets and absorbs his surroundings as he's making his way around. I think a lot of knowledge comes from challenging yourself and opening yourself to people and areas that you wouldn't normally. The car is very sleek, elegant and sophisticated. It's not exactly understated, but it's also not too flashy, not too showy. The car knows what it's saying, but it's not in your face, and I like that. When I can, I'll head into Soho. I might pick up a paper, catch up on the news to stay engaged. I like to have a bit of time to myself to do some research. And I'll grab a bite to eat. I'm a big fan of the restaurant Duck Soup. I've been going there for some time now. It's incredibly intimate and relaxed. When I'm in the car, I definitely feel like I'm just in my own world. There's a sense of being protected and feeling comfortable. It's my own space to think and be at ease. I love driving in London because there's always an opportunity to discover something new with the smallest detour. A specific area doesn't denote a specific type of architecture or type of person. It keeps you guessing, keeps things interesting. I like that the Mercedes AMG engine bears the name of the person who made it. It feels similar to what we do and emphasizes the artisanal quality. I like this focus on the idea of human touch and modern craft, in the sense of there being a relationship between you and the person that has made your garment. I think my favorite thing about living in London is that after 3 decades here, I still feel like I've only really scratched the surface. It's constantly evolving, constantly keeps you guessing. There isn't really another city in the world that I want to be in.